What would actually happen if you ate one MrBeast Feastables chocolate bar every single day for 30 days? Each 35-gram bar packs around 170 calories, 13 grams of added sugar, and 12 grams of fat. Within just 30 minutes, your blood sugar spikes as the sugar rapidly enters your bloodstream, triggering a surge of insulin. Then, about 1 to 2 hours later, your energy crashes. From day one, that single bar already gives you over half of the recommended daily added sugar intake for women and more than a third for men, all from one snack. If you don't adjust the rest of your diet, those extra calories start getting stored as body fat. By week 2, you've consumed about 91 grams of added sugar per week just from chocolate. This begins to affect your heart health. Research shows that this level of sugar intake can increase inflammation, raise triglycerides by 10 to 30%, and even push blood pressure up by 2 to 4 millimeters of mercury. And while chocolate does contain beneficial compounds, a bar with around 30% cocoa only delivers about 80 to 100 milligrams of flavanols, far below the approximately 500 milligrams needed to see real cardiovascular benefits. By week 3, your energy becomes more unstable. Even though chocolate contains tryptophan, which can slightly boost serotonin, the constant sugar spikes and crashes can actually worsen mood swings and fatigue. After 30 days, you've added roughly 390 grams of extra sugar and about 5,100 additional calories to your diet. This can lead to a weight gain of around 0.5 to 0.7 kilograms. At this point, your blood sugar regulation may be impaired, insulin sensitivity reduced, and inflammation increased. And the small amount of cocoa simply isn't enough to offset the metabolic stress caused by excess sugar.